Hi there folks, and welcome to this week's Spot Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 97. So the previous week the government has now brought out a sugar tax on fizzy drinks. So it means that you can charged a wee bit extra at McDonald's. They're not charging you more for a meal deal at Tesco though, but what they are doing is they're making smaller bottles for the drinks. Lots of inconveniences caused here, but it's with an aim of improving health overall, so surely that's got to be a good thing. So a 330 milliliter can of Coca-Cola, which contains 10.6 grams of sugar per 100 millilitres. By how much will its price rise? Round your answer to the nearest penny. So if we look at this wee bit of information here, 18 pence per litre for drinks that contain more than 5 grams per 100 millilitres, and 24 pence per litre for those containing over 8 grams per 100 millilitre. So obviously Coca-Cola, because it's 10.6 grams per 100 millilitres, it's going to fall into this category here, which is going to be an extra 24 pence per litre. Well, what we can do first of all is we can work out how much extra per milliliter. Now there's 1,000 millilitres in a litre, so we can divide this by 1,000. And the can's 330 millilitres, so if this is 1 milliliter, to get 330 we can multiply by 330, and that comes to 7.92. Now of course if we're rounding to the nearest penny, that's going to be the nearest whole number, isn't it? And because this is a 9, this is going to round up to an 8, so the final answer we were looking for was 8 pence. It's increasing in price by. So on to sport now, and Scotland's performance at Gold Coast 2018 has already beaten its previous overseas medal haul of 29, won in Melbourne in 2006. So how many gold medals have Scotland won? So they've won an eighth of the gold medals won by Australia. So it's an eighth of 72. So we divide that by 8. So that gives us an answer of 9 gold medals for Scotland. So they've won 2 more silver medals than South Africa. So how many silver medals have they won? Well, South Africa have won 11 silver medals, so 2 more means we add 2, so that's 13 silver medals. And they've won 5 fewer bronze than Canada. How many bronze have they won? Well, we don't know how many bronze medals Canada have won, but we can work it out because we know the gold and the silver, and if we add them together that gives us 54 medals, but we also know the total is 80. So if we take the 54 away from the 80, that gives us 26 bronze medals for Canada. Scotland have won 5 fewer than 26, so we take 5 away from it, so that's 21 bronze medals won by Scotland. And then part D, how many medals have they won in total so far? So it's 9 gold, 13 silver and 21 bronze, which gives a total of 43 medals. Fantastic effort so far, well done Scotland. Okay, so we've got our last story here. Absolutely amazing. The first outer space luxury hotel. But don't get me wrong, you've got to be extremely rich if you want to go and stay there. But it sounds absolutely magnificent. So it's like 12 days up in space, floating about, seeing 16 sunrises every day. You get to take part in wee experiments like growing your own vegetables, which you're allowed to take home as a wee souvenir. And they've actually managed to reduce the programme to get yourself ready to space. They've reduced it from a year by about 3/4, so it's fantastic. So it costs $9.5 million, and you can pay a deposit of $80,000. So if we write 9.5 million out properly, 9,500,000, and take off that deposit, that leaves a balance of 9,420,000 still to pay. And if you want to pay for that in equal monthly instalments over the next 4 years, well, how much would it cost per month? Well, there's 12 months in a year, so there's 48 months in 4 years. So we can divide that by 48 to get an answer of $196,250 per month. So definitely only for the rich and famous, I think. I'll maybe stick to my wee week in Gran Canaria and my wee week in Benalmadena later on in the summer holidays, I think. But anyway, folks, there you have it. That was our work solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 97. Hope you enjoyed doing those problems as we enjoyed making them. Stay tuned for next week's edition. We're getting awfully close to issue number 100 now, aren't we? We're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.